Hello guys, today we are going to fix the smart lock 569. Okay, today we will tell you in detail how you can fix the smart lock on your door. So first of all, in the first progress, you will take the machine. This is the 9 cm width. You have to must make the hole the 10 cm in your door. Okay, first of all you will fix the machine. You will put the machine like this one. After you will put the screw. Okay, in the next step you will put the front side. First of all you will put the rod in the lock and simply you will fix in the machine from here like this. You will put first, you will adjust the wire. And after you will put the handle like this. On the other side, this kind of plate coming, you will put the plate like this, like this. After here coming the two screw like this type, you will see this is the longer screw. You have to cut the screw according to your door thickness. Okay, first of all you will put the screw. And you will tie it. Like this, and same like this one, you will set the position and you will tight the other screw like this. Like this. After you will see this part is now fixed correctly. Now you will take the other part which is contains on the single side. This part is coming in the long length. You will cut same like your screw according to your door thickness. You will cut from here and you will fix this part here. First of all you will connect the wire from the back side. Like this. After you will adjust the wire. And you will put this part like this and like this.
Show me. Someone send me your space. Go to the
like this. When it will be adjusted, you will open. You will fix these two screws first. This is the back, the black screw. You will fix the downside. the second one, the black you have to fix here. After fixing this rod, you will open this the back side. You will open the cover, and this is the white screw you have to fix on the top.
आपने चेक की गोल्डन
Same like the downside. Now, in the next part, you will put the battery.
गोल्डन है पूरा एक ही कलर है राजस्थान में प्रॉब्लम नहीं होने चाहिए एक सिल्वर और एक गोल्ड
After this is the back over like this. After we will put the cover like this, and you will tight the screw on the top. Okay. Now this is the ready. You can check on the back side.
Okay viewers, stay with us for next part. Thank you.